In this video, we are going to learn about different levels of taxonomic hierarchy. Now this is the taxonomic hierarchy where I placed all the taxons in their levels in descending order. Now coming to, first we look into the case of animals. And in the previous video we had taken the example of Panthera tigris, Panthera leo, Panthera pardus. So these are the species. The Panthera is the genus, tigris is species, leo is the species, and pardus is the species in the genus Panthera. So these three species belong to genus Panthera. So after the genus, the next taxon is of family. So genus Panthera along with genus Felix. Felix consists of small cats. They are placed under the family Felidae. So Felidae is the family. So this was genus Panthera and this is the family Felidae. Now family Felidae along with family Canidae. Family Canidae is put together under the order Carnivora. Order Carnivora. The members of order Carnivora, next will come the class Carnivora along with primates. Primates like the monkey, gorilla, chimpanzee, they come under class Mammalia. Class Mammalia. The members of class Mammalia along with another classes like the class Mammalia along with class Reptilia, Amphibia, Aves and Pisces. All these classes, they are grouped together under the phylum Chordata. The phylum Chordata is then all the animals under phylum Chordata, they are grouped under the animal kingdom or kingdom Animalia. So this is phylum Chordata and animals under phylum Chordata having a notochord at any stage of their life cycle. They are put under the kingdom Animalia. So this was regarding the animal kingdom. Now we come to the plant kingdom. Under the plant kingdom, this was the animal kingdom, and for plants we begin with the example of species Solanum. Solanum nigrum, Solanum tuberosum. Solanum tuberosum is for the potatoes. Solanum nigrum is for the brinjal. So Solanum is the genus and nigrum and tuberosum are the two species. They belong to the genus Solanum. The genus Solanum along with genus Petunia and genus Dhatura. We write this with capital. Dhatura. These three genus, they come under the family Solanaceae. Solanaceae. Members of the Solanaceae, along with members of the family Convolvulaceae. There are many more members. I am just taking a few examples to prove the point. There are around hundreds of species, hundreds of genus and hundreds of families. The family Solanaceae, family Convolvulaceae, for example, they all lie under the order Polymoniales. Polymoniales. The members of order Polymoniales, along with members of the order Sapindales. Sapindales, the mango comes under the order Sapindales, the members of the mango family. The Polymoniales and Sapindales, they all lie under the class Dicotyledonnae. Dicotyledonnae. The members of Dicotyledonnae, they come under, for plants, we said it would be division. They are under division Angiospermae. Angiospermae, and members of Angiospermae are all falling under the plant kingdom. So this was the hierarchy of the plants. Solanum nigrum, Solanum tuberosum, and many more falling under the genus Solanum, the genus Solanum, genus Petunia, genus Dhatura, and many more falling under the family Solanaceae, Convolvulaceae, Papilionaceae, and many more coming under the order Polymoniales, Sapindales coming under the class Dicotyledonnae, coming under the division Angiospermae, and Angiospermae coming under the plant kingdom. So the animal kingdom and the plant kingdom, they form the hierarchy, the taxonomic hierarchy, or the biological diversity